1815, Mount Tambora erupted, unleashing a force that reshaped landscapes and climates worldwide. This volcanic eruption triggered a global crisis, impacting weather patterns for years. Tambora's eruption was one of the largest in recorded history, releasing ash and gases into the atmosphere. The effects were immediate and far-reaching, altering ecosystems across continents. The eruption caused a volcanic winter, leading to crop failures and famine. This disaster impacted millions, reshaping economies and societies in ways still felt today. Before the eruption, Tambora was an active volcano, part of Indonesia's chain of volcanoes along the Ring of Fire. Its summit was a place of mystery and awe, hidden in dense tropical forests. On April 10, 1815, Tambora erupted violently, spewing pyroclastic flows and ash into the sky. The explosion was heard over 1,600 kilometers away, a testament to its power. Ash and sulfur dioxide particles spread globally, reflecting sunlight back into space. This reduced temperatures worldwide, affecting weather patterns and causing widespread agricultural distress. Communities around Tambora suffered immensely. Villages were buried under ash and survivors faced starvation as crops failed. The event sparked migrations and social upheavals. The Year Without a Summer in 1816 inspired literary works like Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. Artists captured the eerie skies, leaving a lasting legacy in culture and art. Today, scientists study Tambora's eruption to better understand climate impacts of volcanic events. Data from this historic eruption helps predict future volcanic activity and its global consequences. Tambora's eruption spewed vast amounts of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, causing global temperatures to drop significantly for several years. The sulfur dioxide reacted with water vapor to form aerosols that reflected sunlight back into space, leading to widespread cooling and crop failures worldwide. In Europe, the cold weather caused widespread famine, leading to social unrest and political upheavals during the early 19th century. The eruption also affected China, causing rice harvests to fail, which led to severe food shortages and mass starvation. The effects of Tambora's eruption were felt globally, altering weather patterns and causing a cascade of environmental and societal disruptions. Scientists today use ice cores and tree rings to reconstruct past climates and understand the impact of large volcanic eruptions on Earth's ecosystems. The Tambora eruption serves as a stark reminder of how volcanic activity can drastically alter our planet's climate, affecting human life on a global scale. Despite its destructive power, Tambora's eruption has provided valuable insights into the complex relationship between volcanism and climate change. Today, researchers continue to monitor active volcanoes around the world to predict future eruptions and their potential impacts on global climate. Understanding the long-term effects of volcanic eruptions is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate the risks associated with climate change. Volcanic eruptions have shaped the Earth's climate throughout history, influencing the evolution of life and human civilizations. Mount Tambora's eruption highlights the profound interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the far-reaching consequences of natural disasters. From crop failures to social unrest, the Tambora eruption demonstrates how a single event can have lasting impacts on human societies. As we face the challenges of modern climate change, the lessons from Tambora remind us of the importance of understanding and preparing for natural phenomena. Studying historical events like the Tambora eruption helps scientists develop models to forecast and manage the effects of future volcanic activity. The global impact of Tambora's eruption underscores the need for international cooperation in addressing the environmental and economic consequences of such events. Through ongoing research and monitoring, humanity can better prepare for and mitigate the effects of future volcanic eruptions, ensuring a more resilient future. The legacy of Mount Tambora reminds us of the power of nature and our responsibility to adapt and innovate in the face of environmental challenges. By learning from past events, we can build a more sustainable and resilient society, capable of withstanding the impacts of natural disasters. Mount Tambora's eruption was a turning point in human history, revealing the intricate links between Earth's natural systems and human societies. The global climate disruption caused by Tambora has influenced agricultural practices and food security strategies in many regions. Understanding the climatic shifts following Tambora's eruption has helped improve our knowledge of how volcanic gases affect the atmosphere. Research into Tambora's aftermath continues to inform current debates on climate change and the urgent need for global action. The Tambora eruption teaches us the critical importance of preparedness and adaptation in managing the risks posed by natural disasters. Tambora's eruption triggered a global climate shift known as the Year Without a Summer, causing widespread crop failures and famine across Europe and North America. This event underscores the profound impact volcanic activity can have on global weather patterns. Scientists today study Tambora's eruption to better understand climate change. By analyzing historical records and ice core samples, researchers can trace the long-term effects of such catastrophic events on Earth's climate systems. In Indonesia, local communities near Mount Tambora continue to face risks from potential future eruptions. Efforts to monitor seismic activity and educate residents are crucial for minimizing impacts and ensuring safety. Volcanic eruptions like Tambora highlight the interconnectedness of our planet's ecosystems. Understanding these events helps us prepare for future climate-related challenges and adapt to the changing world around us. In 1815, Mount Tambora's eruption caused global climate chaos, leading to famine and suffering worldwide. This event serves as a stark reminder of nature's power over human lives. Despite advancements in technology, we remain vulnerable to volcanic activity. Understanding past disasters can help us prepare better for future ones, safeguarding humanity against similar crises. By investing in research and early warning systems, we can mitigate the impacts of volcanic eruptions. Knowledge is key to surviving the unpredictable forces of nature. Mount Tambora taught us the harsh reality of our planet's volatility. It's crucial that we learn from history to build resilience and adaptability into our societies. We must recognize that natural disasters do not discriminate. Every community, whether near or far from an active volcano, should be prepared for the worst. Global cooperation is essential in facing these challenges. Sharing data, resources, and expertise can save countless lives when disaster strikes. Educating ourselves and future generations about the risks and consequences of volcanic activity helps ensure preparedness and reduces panic during emergencies. As we look to the future, it's imperative that we invest in sustainable practices to reduce environmental stressors and prevent exacerbating natural disasters. Let Mount Tambora serve as a lesson. By working together and learning from past events, we can build a safer, more resilient world for all. Remember, every action counts in protecting our planet. Support initiatives that promote environmental awareness and disaster preparedness to make a difference. Thank you for watching this journey through history. Together, let's strive to create a world where we coexist peacefully with nature's powerful forces.